Chicken ziplock snack.
One 1.5 cups of Maida all-purpose flour, half tsp of whey, salt as per taste, 1 tbsp of melted ghee. Transfer Maida in a mixing bowl. Add salt and whey. Add melted ghee. Mix and combine well. Gradually add water and make dough. Soft dough is done. For filling, take 1 cup of boiled and shredded chicken, 1 boiled and mashed potato, 1 chopped green chili, onion, carrot and some chopped coriander leaves. Half tsp of ginger garlic paste, half tsp of turmeric powder, half tsp of salt, half tsp of red chili flakes, half tsp of zero cumin powder, half tsp of black pepper powder, half tsp of oregano, heat pan and add 1 tbsp of oil. Add chopped onion. Add chopped green chili. Add chopped carrot. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix and fry for 2 minutes. Add turmeric powder. Add boiled and mashed potato. Mix well. Add chicken. Add salt. Add chili flakes and cumin powder. Add oregano. Add black pepper powder and mix. Add chopped coriander leaves. Give a mix. Chicken filling is done. Take small portion of dough and make round balls. Dough balls are ready. Apply some flour and roll. Place 1 teaspoon of chicken filling in center. Fold from side. Press corners. Take toothpick and prick in zigzag way. Chicken filling is sealed well. Repeat the process and prepare remaining snack. Ziploc snacks are ready for frying. Heat oil and fry them. Fry on low to medium flame. Fry until crisp and golden brown. Flip and fry on other side. Ziploc snacks are fried well. Remove them. Crispy and tasty chicken Ziploc snacks are ready for serving. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.